FAW-Volkswagen Qingdao Production Base. FAW-people Qingdao Branch is located in Jimo District, Qingdao City, and is FAW-Volkswagen's fourth production base nationwide. The first phase covers an area of 1.1 million square meters, with a planned production capacity of 300,000 vehicles per year. The planned overall investment is about 10 billion yuan, and the purchasing investment is about 5.8 billion yuan, and the construction content is 4 large workshops, stamping, welding, painting and final assembly, and a battery workshop have been established. There are more than 2,900 employees. The construction of the project, which was founded in 2014, started in July 2015 and was completed in May 2018. The factory was built in accordance with the 3-star Green Building Design Standard and became the first project to receive a 3-star certification. The current main production models are the new Bora, the new Audi A3. FAW-Volkswagen Qingdao Branch actively responds to the Made in China 2025 strategy and has become the leading smart factory in the industry, integrating various high-tech, automatic and intelligent levels. It has been awarded the National Smart Manufacturing Demonstration Worker Award, 2022 Shandong Province Smart Factory, 2021 Qingdao Smart Factory and many other awards. Deeply involved in advanced manufacturing, it summarizes many years of enterprise management application experience, focuses on lean manufacturing, smart manufacturing and digital transformation, and provides enterprise benchmarking and benchmarking auditing services.